The lifestyle of Denzel Washington. Denzel Washington, an iconic figure in the world of entertainment, is widely celebrated for his extraordinary talent and impressive career as an actor, director, and producer. With a career spanning decades, he has earned critical acclaim and numerous accolades, including 2 Academy Awards, 3 Golden Globe Awards, and a Tony Award. While his professional achievements here are well known, Denzel Washington is also admired for his private and modest lifestyle. He has maintained a reputation for being relatively low-key in the often glittering world of Hollywood. Today, let's take a peek at how he actually lives his life. Hey there! Welcome to New Money Luxury, your all-in-one source for all things about athletes and celebrities, where we talk about their lifestyle, spending habits, and luxurious means of living. Sit back, relax, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and so you won't miss any of our uploads. Renowned American actor, director, and producer, Denzel Washington has a long list of cinema and stage credits that showcase his impressive range and talent. It costs at least $20 million to hire the 2-time Oscar winner for a single film. Where does he put his millions of dollars? Given Denzel Washington's success in the film industry and his numerous endorsement deals, it should come as unsurprising that he is able to purchase real estate in some of the most expensive communities in the United States. The mansion in Beverly Hills that belongs to Denzel is situated on 2.13 acres and is part of a private community that is enclosed by gates. His property features a tennis court, as well as a swimming pool and an attractive foundation. In addition, there are 8 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms available in this property. In point of fact, his residence is worthy of a king. In 1992, Denzel paid Michael Eisner, a former CEO of Walt Disney Company, a total price of $2,675 to purchase this lovely home. Zillow, an online marketplace for real estate located in the United States, places the property's current value at an estimated $80 million. According to property documents obtained from LA County, it appears that the valuation of the residence is closer to $16.5 million. In either case, the value of the home is quite high. Denzel also owns a high-end luxury condominium in New York City, in addition to his spectacular property in Beverly Hills. His apartment is at 15 Central Park West. The use of limestone in the construction of the structure makes it an attraction itself. It should come as no surprise that some of the wealthiest people in New York City call this neighborhood home. Denzel's immediate neighbors in this building include Jeff Gordon, Sting, and many CEOs. This property at 15 Central Park West was purchased by Denzel for the sum of $13 million. His place is a luxurious mansion that spans 3,000 square feet and has 4 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. In fact, this apartment provides him with the urban atmosphere that he craves as a complement to the densely forested property that he owns in Beverly Hills. Given his riches, one would expect him to have an impressive collection of high-priced automobiles. He has everything from affordable sedans like the Chrysler 300 to 6-figure supercars like the Aston Martin DBS in his collection. In addition, the Land Rover Discovery Sport is his favourite full-size SUV. One thing is evident from Denzel's car-buying habits though. The man prefers black vehicles. Reportedly, Denzel Washington has a black Chrysler 300 of his own. This luxury car starts at $37,640 for the 2023 model year. The price increases to a maximum of $45,350 when optional extras and a powerful engine are added. There have been numerous sightings of Denzel Washington driving a Land Rover Range Rover. Denzel car's model year, however, remains unknown. The current model year of 2023 Range Rover starts at $104,500. In addition, There are various plug-in hybrid configurations available for the Range Rover, along with other powertrain options. Furthermore, Denzel enjoys both the luxurious comfort of cars like the Rolls-Royce Phantom and the exhilaration of powerful sports cars like the Aston Martin DBS. The coupe version of the 2022 Aston Martin DBS costs $316,300, while the convertible cost $334,700. Lastly, Denzel Washington celebrated his 50th birthday by purchasing a Rolls-Royce Phantom, the ultimate status symbol. In 2004, its base price was $320,000. However, the Phantom model year 2023 is now estimated to cost roughly $467,000. You might want to hang out with Denzel Washington more than any other Hollywood gentleman. If you had the opportunity to speak with Denzel, one question you might ask him is about the places he enjoys visiting the most. Denzel Washington and his wife of 39 years, Pauletta, enjoy an Italian holiday with a meal at an outdoor restaurant in Portofino. The actor and the actress enjoyed an alfresco meal at Portofino's most famous restaurant, Ristorante Pugni, located on the Piazzetta. Next, this one is cheating because Denzel already has a home in the area, but that just reinforces his status as the star who travelled the world the most. The villas at Cove Castles are undeniably some of the island's finest private residences. Anguilla is one of the most stunning tropical islands, and it is also one of the most tranquil. A sandy and peaceful area, Shoal Bay West is home to many wealthy people. Cove Castles is the best place to rent if you want to be near Denzel. Cove Castles is ideal for a lavish pals trip because each home is distinctive and situated directly on the beach. Denzel Washington does not simply rake in the millions, rather he makes it a priority to donate to charitable organisations. He supports historically black institutions and universities, as well as the Boys and Girls Club through his charitable contributions. After stating several times throughout the course of his career that he gained many important life skills and discovered his acting aptitude as a result of attending Boys and Girls Clubs of America when he was a child, he has donated both his time and money to the organisation. The Denzel Washington Family Foundation also made a donation of $1 million to Wiley College in 2021. Wiley College is historically black college and university that served as the setting for Washington's film The Great Debaters, which he directed as well. Aside from that, it was disclosed in 2018 that Washington paid for Chadwick Boseman's participation in acting workshops. In 2018, Boseman disclosed information that he claimed to have kept to himself for most of his life. According to Boseman, Washington paid for a portion of his education through a scholarship program while he was attending a summer class at Oxford University to study acting. When Chadwick Boseman became famous because of his role in Black Panther, he felt more at ease relaying the narrative, and he was also able to personally thank Denzel Washington for his assistance. Denzel Washington's lifestyle reflects a remarkable balance between fame and privacy, setting him apart as a respected and admired figure in the entertainment world. Despite his fame, Denzel remains grounded and unpretentious, choosing to keep his personal life shielded from the intrusive gaze of the media. This low-key approach has allowed him to focus on what truly matters to him: his family, his craft, and his philanthropic endeavours. He reminds us that one can achieve great success while maintaining a sense of integrity, humanity, and genuine care for others. Denzel's legacy extends far beyond his on-screen roles, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of many who admire him not only as an actor, but also as a person of character and compassion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content, and be sure to comment on other celebrities you would like us to profile in the future episodes. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.